So our producers checked on this. 4 weeks ago today, we had the other bomb cyclone.
The first bomb cyclone, and now this one.
I just, it's hard to wrap your brain around it and digest it all.
Big storms. And but the bomb cyclone term has been around since 1980.
Okay, so
it's just with social media now, it sounds sexy to call it a bomb cyclone, and
well,
we've had 2 of them this month.
And we've seen it trend and all that, so people love using it, obviously.
There you go, yeah. So the pressure did drop low enough that it can be called a bomb cyclone, and it just deals with a big low pressure drop in a 24-hour period. That's all. It doesn't have anything to do with the snow. It is raining and snowing in a lot of locations out there. There's a live look downtown. Here's the big storm now. It spent the day, or the morning, I should say, right around the Four Corners area. Now it's sliding into Colorado. There are thunderstorms with it. A lot of thunderstorms around Colorado Springs now, and it's mixing in with colder air. So look at those lighting up just outside of Colorado Springs. Now for us here in Denver, take a look. We're already seeing some changing going on here. Everything green is rain. We've got snow in the foothills and the mountains already, and we do have snow changing over in Aurora down to Parker. Our weather watcher, Phil Curry, down there sent me a little text, and he said it is snowing moderately down there. And we also are seeing a little convection near Strasburg out here. We might see a little thunderstorm kick up as that thing comes together right in that area. Downtown, though, it's still raining here. So blizzard warning still intact for this afternoon. 4 to 10 inches of snow. Winds 35 to 55 mile per hour. Now, I've lowered the wind amount forecast a little bit here. Don't think it's going to be quite as windy as we were thinking. Out east, though, we could still see 70 mile per hour winds out here. Ray Burlington on into Kansas. And, of course, in the mountains, we do have several warnings and advisories in place. Some of those areas could see up to a foot of snow before everything is said and done. Now, temperatures are in the 30s, but they're dropping rapidly here. And I think by afternoon, by 2 or 3 o'clock, a lot of these will drop below freezing, and that's when most everything will change over to snow. Pavement is very warm, though. There's the cold air coming in right there. It's 70 right now in Pueblo as this is coming down. But the pavement temperatures are very warm. So initially, a lot of this is going to melt on the roadway. So wet roads for the first part of the commute, and then the later portion of the commute on into the evening, that's when snow will begin to stick, and it will pile up during the night tonight on into tomorrow morning, the way things look. All right, forecast now for Denver. Rain to snow, about 1 to 3 inches in the afternoon. We'll be in the 30s this afternoon for temperatures, and then on top of that, another 3 to 7 inches of snow tonight. That should add up to that 4 to 10 inches of snow by the morning tomorrow. 20s for the overnight low tonight. So some of this is going to ice up and stick for tomorrow morning's commute. I think it's going to be worse tomorrow morning than it will be tonight, so we'll watch for that. And then flurries and wind tomorrow, and then we stay in the 40s through Saturday, maybe a little moisture here and there with some showers and rain mixed with snow. We don't dry out until Sunday. Tonight, travel across the eastern plains. Some of the major roadways, Britt, I think will probably get closed because we may have whiteout conditions with the wind blowing the snow around out there.
Okay, we just encourage everybody to hang with us here on CBS 4 and CBSDenver.com. And remember that you can keep an